Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of lace knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater, baby frock, shawl and stall. You can also apply this pattern in border knitting. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 17 plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 17 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 19 stitches on my needle, 17 stitches multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 17 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any, you can make this pattern after cast on. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row, right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now this is second row, wrong side row. In this row, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side row. Slip end. From here we start our repeat pattern. 3 times pull together, yarn in front, pull together, one, pull together, 2, pull together, 3. Now 5 times yarn over knit 1, yarn over knit 1, 1, yarn over knit 1, 2, yarn over knit 1, 3, yarn over knit 1, 4, yarn over knit 1, 5. Now yarn over and again 3 times pull together. purl together, 1, purl together, 2, purl together, 3. That's a repeat. 3 times purl together, 1, 2, 3. 5 times yarn over knit 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, purl, 3 together, 3 times, 1, 2, 3. This is 17 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 17. 16 and 17. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have, and here we have last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. This is fourth row, wrong side row. Again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of, and if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.